Welcome, everybody. Whoops. Oh, there goes my damn die. It's Saturday, December the 19th, and we're breaking bomb box full-size helmets. So one boxer. We randomed up our 20 remaining box numbers. We got number 10. We did random teams for this. On your left, you've already randomized the teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. But nothing went down. Unfortunately, guys, it's going to be one of our other placeholders here, so see if we get a helmet or a cash box. Well, bam, gonna be a cult hit on the $225 room credit, guys. We all knew we had them. We hadn't hit one yet. So, bam, going to be the cult spot, everybody. Well, that's going to be a McNutty hit, guys. What I will do, since we hit the cash box and it's a holiday promo, I'll let everybody keep, if you're in, this is only for guys in the break, guys. You can keep it 16, all right? Just for this one break. You guys get to keep it 16. Since we pulled a cash box there, so that's sort of like, you know, rewarding everybody. It's like taking like $100 off of the next break, and that is a McNut. Whoops, the cash boxes are just sort of a replacement, you know, just something to give us a little room to get some of the other big hits in. You know, guys said they'd rather have the cash boxes than the reps. I mean, when I pull the reps, you know, a rep or two, guys have a fit, so we usually do cash boxes. But hang on, guys, I gotta crawl on my table to get my die. 53-year-old fat ass don't help either. Alright. Alright, we got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times. I got Noah and McNutty are going to be our qualifiers. Well, you one slide of the qualifier there, Noah. 45-46 are the qualifier numbers on NetBreakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook.